If you want to actually spend crypto, not just store it on an exchange, the Bybit card is one of the simplest ways to do it. But here's the catch. If you use it incorrectly, you'll end up losing money on conversions and fees without even noticing. In this video, I'll show you how to order the Bybit card, how to pay with it in crypto and fiat, when it's smart to use stablecoins, and which settings you need to adjust so the card works like a proper payment tool, not just a fee drain. What is the Bybit card? Let's clarify an important point right away to avoid confusion later. The Bybit card is a MasterCard debit card, not a credit card. It doesn't lend you money. It has no credit limit. It only spends funds from your Bybit balance. If there's no money on your balance, the payment simply won't go through. You can pay with fiat if it's supported in your region, or cryptocurrency stored in your account. The card comes in two formats, a virtual card and a physical card. Functionally, they're identical. The only difference is whether you need the plastic version or not. Where to find the card and check availability. The first step is to see whether the card is available for your account. Just open the Bybit app and go to the section with additional features. There you'll find the card option. Open it, and the app immediately shows whether the card is available in your region or not. If it's available, you'll see the application screen. If not, the app will tell you directly. No advance requests, no guessing. Card availability is always visible right inside your account. Virtual and physical card. It's important to understand right away. The virtual and physical cards are two separate cards with different details. Virtual card, issued faster, free of charge, suitable for online payments and mobile payments. In most cases, the virtual card is more than enough for subscriptions, services, and everyday purchases. Physical card, the plastic version, delivered by mail, may have a fee depending on region and program. Functionally, they're identical. The only difference is format, whether you need the plastic or not. If you don't need a physical card, you can simply use the virtual one. Before moving on, let's mention our Telegram channel. The crypto market isn't about guessing or hype. It's about context, logic, and understanding processes. We show how experienced participants view the market, why some events truly matter and others are just noise. On the channel, we regularly analyze the state of the economy, key news, and shape market expectations without unnecessary emotions. If you want to understand crypto systematically and make informed decisions, join us. The link is in the description. How to order the Bybit card. Ordering the card is as simple as possible. Go to the card section in the Bybit app and you'll immediately see whether it's available for your account. If the virtual card is available, submit the application. Confirm your identity with the same document used for account registration. Verification takes minimal time and the virtual card appears almost instantly. If you want the physical card, provide your delivery address, choose the name to be printed on the card. Set your PIN code in advance. After applying, you can track the card's status directly in the app, whether it's been shipped or already delivered. How the card charges funds. Now, the most important part, how exactly the card deducts money. The card has a base currency. This is the currency Bybit uses for card settlements in your account. In most cases, it's euros or dollars depending on your region and account settings. All payments are calculated in this currency, paying fiat in the base currency. The charge goes directly just like a regular bank card with no or minimal fees, paying fiat in another currency. The card first performs a currency exchange, which adds a conversion fee, paying with cryptocurrency. The scheme is always the same. Crypto is automatically converted into fiat, then the payment is processed. At this stage, you pay a crypto conversion fee and if needed, a currency exchange fee. Best practice, keep fiat in the base currency or use stablecoins, or sell crypto on spot in advance and spend fiat. This gives you full control over the rate and minimizes fees. Also note, in some countries, spending cryptocurrency is considered a taxable event. That means paying directly with BTC or Ethereum isn't always the smartest choice. Pay with setting. Now let's look at the one setting you need to configure once, so the card doesn't charge funds randomly. In the card settings, there's a section called Pay With. This is where you choose which assets the card is allowed to deduct from. This is where you decide whether you'll lose money on conversions or not. If you leave everything as default, the card can deduct from any crypto on your balance. That means automatic conversion, fees, and possible tax consequences. The correct logic is simple. Leave only fiat or stablecoins you actually want to spend, remove all other assets. For example, I leave only fiat and stablecoins while disabling BTC and ETH completely. In this case, the card either deducts the chosen asset without extra conversion, or if the balance is empty, simply declines the payment. No losses, no surprises. This single setting solves 80% of commission problems, so check it right after ordering the card. Before we continue, in the description below the video, we've left a list of top exchanges we personally use, along with unique bonuses for our referrals. Take a look, register, and join our team. Fees and how to reduce them. Let's get specific with numbers, so you know exactly where you're paying. Paying fiat in the card's base currency. Fees are either zero or minimal. This is the cheapest scenario. Paying fiat in another currency. The card performs a currency exchange, usually with a fee around 1 to 2% depending on region and conditions. Paying with cryptocurrency. The scheme is always the same. Crypto is automatically converted into fiat with a crypto conversion fee of about 0.9%. If the purchase currency differs, an additional exchange fee is added. In practice, paying with crypto can easily cost you 2 to 3% if you don't understand how deductions work. Best strategy. Sell your crypto on Bybit spot first with a fee around 0.1%, then pay with fiat using the card. This way, you control the rate, know the final amount in advance, and pay far fewer fees. With this setup, the card works almost like a regular bank card, without unpleasant surprises. Cashback and points. For every payment with the card, you earn cashback in the form of points. The cashback rate depends on your card level and program, but on average, it's about 2% of the purchase amount. Points aren't credited instantly. They usually appear after a few days, once the payment is fully confirmed and not cancelled. You then have two options. Automatic conversion. Points are regularly converted into your chosen cryptocurrency, USDT, USDC, or Bitcoin. This is the simplest option. No action required, everything happens automatically. Manual conversion. You decide when and into what to convert points. Typically, this gives about 10 to 12% more value compared to automatic conversion. Additionally, you can enable cashback to be sent directly into Bybit Earn, so it continues generating income. Cashback doesn't fully offset fees, but with the right setup, it significantly reduces overall losses and makes using the card much more profitable. Limits and cash withdrawals. The card has daily and monthly spending limits. In most cases, the daily limit is tens of thousands of dollars equivalent, enough for regular expenses and large purchases. You can also withdraw cash at ATMs, but here the numbers matter. Usually, there's a monthly withdrawal limit of several $1,000s. Each withdrawal has a fee of about 2 to 3% plus possible ATM fees. Because of this, the card is better suited for purchases rather than frequent cash withdrawals. All current limits and fees can always be checked directly in the card settings inside the app. They may vary depending on region and program conditions. Wrapping up, the link to register and order the Bybit card is in the description below the video. There's also a bonus for new users. If this video was helpful, hit like and check out other Bybit and crypto guides on the channel.